KRE medical power adapters. KRECO provides intelligent power solutions. From wall-mount type to desktop type, from 6 watts to 480 watts. Today we introduce our 200 watt series, KRE 200 MPS, this type. Okay, and this is medical. The output voltage could be customized also, current output voltage, and it could be used for medical, healthcare, and beauty equipment or instruments. And it passed IEC UL 60601 standard. It passed the UL certification, FCC, EMC, and so on. We got many these certificates. FCC UL. And the 200 watt series is very stable and with high compatibilities for your device. So it is your best choice. Contact us. Thank you very much.